Welcome to the Avant STAMP Reading Guide. In this video, you will learn how to put your best effort into the reading portion of your test. In the Avant STAMP Reading Assessment, we'll see authentic text like menus, signs, text messages, and news articles. To see examples of the reading assessment, take a sample test in the language you will be testing in. Go to avantassessment.com, click Resources, then select Sample Tests. Choose the test and the language you will be testing. Remember that you cannot really cram for a proficiency test. It is meant to measure your skill at this point in time and cover a wide range of topics. The Avant STAMP assessment is computer adaptive, meaning that as you move through the test, the questions will get easier or more difficult depending on your answers. Let's start with what to expect on the test. There are about 30 questions in this section. At the beginning of the reading section, you will see a practice question, a situation question, and possible answers. Answer the question and click Next to go to your assessment. Remember, this is only a practice question. Don't spend too much time on it. It does not count in the final score. If you have any technical difficulty, please let the proctor or teacher know. First, read the situation that sets the scene. Next, read the questions and possible answers. Skim, scan, read, and think. Skim the text. Look at the formatting and organization of the text. Look for general topics and known vocabulary. Scan. Look for specific details and clues inside of the text. Answering who, what, when, where, why, and how. Read for deeper comprehension. Understanding the main idea, purpose, and facts. Think about what will best answer the question. Do not translate word by word. Reading is not decoding or translation. Select the best answer to the question and click Next to continue. The Avant STAMP assessment is not timed, but remember you will have about 30 questions to complete. Answer each question the best you can. This assessment is about proficiency. This is a snapshot of what you can do with the language at this point in time. For more, go to avantassessment.com/video-tutorials